Understanding Keyboard Cleaning, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very practical topic, keyboard cleaning. This is something many of us encounter but might not think about its language aspects. So, let's dive into what keyboard cleaning means, how it's used, and why it's important in our daily lives. Keyboard cleaning refers to the process of removing dirt, dust, and debris from a computer keyboard. Keyboards are essential parts of our computers and can collect a lot of unwanted particles over time. Cleaning them not only helps in maintaining hygiene but also ensures better functionality and longevity of the keys. It's a simple yet important maintenance task for anyone using a computer. In this section, we'll discuss the importance of keyboard cleaning. A clean keyboard is crucial for several reasons. 1. Hygiene. Keyboards can harbor bacteria and germs. 2. Functionality. Dirt can obstruct keys and affect typing. 3. Maintenance. Regular cleaning prolongs the life of your keyboard. 4. Aesthetics. A clean keyboard looks more appealing and professional. Understanding this importance helps in appreciating why the term is commonly used, especially in office or tech-related environments. Now, let's talk about how to clean a keyboard. It involves a few simple steps. 1. Turn off the computer, safety first. 2. Shake out the debris. Gently turn the keyboard upside down and shake. 3. Use compressed air. Blow away the remaining particles. 4. Wipe with a damp cloth. Make sure it's not too wet. 5. Use cotton swabs for tight spaces. This helps in cleaning between keys. 6. Dry the keyboard. Ensure it's completely dry before using it again. These steps are crucial for effectively and safely cleaning your keyboard. That wraps up our discussion on keyboard cleaning. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this common yet important task. Remember, keeping your keyboard clean is not just about aesthetics, it's about hygiene and functionality too. Happy cleaning and see you in our next English language learning adventure.